We're riding Teamboat Springs.
Hello, guys.
This is Blizzard Beach at Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Hello, team. All right, you guys here. Make sure everyone's all the way in that tube for me, holding on to one of those handles.
Gotta get onto the tube.
Alrighty, team. Here we go.
Here we go. Ready?
All right, guys. Hold on and have fun.
You too.
Going backwards is the best, so hold on.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I get stuck backwards every time.
Here we go. We're going for it. Well, it was a good ride.
That's the fastest that we went. Yeah, that's because there's more weight. I don't think we can go faster, honey.
If there's more weight. If there's more
Adrenaline
weight,
junkie.
that means
Ow. Oh no, wet!
oh, it's the coast.
No, it's not. Coast. Do you want to go into a place to get her now? I'm trying to catch your son. Yeah.
Everyone was
No!
against you. Everyone was all against the fire.
Anything but the GoPro.
Looks like I'm all wet. And there's that big giant one right here. And there's the directory for Blizzard Beach. Red slope is Runoff Rapids, and the green slope, Summit Plummet, Slush Gusler, and Teamboat Springs. So I did the two for Teamboat Springs, so that's about it, and thank you for watching. Bye.